Now, how can you make it super easy inside ClickFunnels to create any pages that you want without starting from scratch? Well, I created this quick tutorial to show you how to copy some of the sections, some of the columns, and then you can put it in your next page and make it a lot faster. So, hit the intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way? This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur Channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to yet again another video. My name is Carlos. This is Digital Marketpreneur Channel. This is the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and the mindset. And in this video, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial because ClickFunnels is a very easy software to use, but still there's certain technical things that you can actually do. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know all the tricks of the trade, but I know enough of them where it makes it a lot easier for me to create pages and make them a lot faster. So I want to teach you how to copy sections and columns and then paste them in other pages to make it a lot faster. Now, before we get into that tutorial, I will appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Hit that button below that says subscribe. Hit the notification button, but also hit the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And also, any thumbs up, thumbs down, any comments will be very appreciated. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. If you want me to create any video about any subject or any questions that you have, I will be more than happy to help you with that. Okay, that being out of the way, I'm going to show you how we're gonna do this. And this is one of the pages that I just finished. If you have not seen the video where I talk about the top 3 affiliate marketing courses for 2020, because 2019 is almost over, these are evergreen. There's gonna be a link right up here or somewhere up here, and you guys can check it out and check my actual offer. So when you come to the ClickFunnels page, you are gonna see sections, right? And this is a section right here. This whole area in the green is a section. Then right here in the blue, you got your columns, and these are your elements. So you want to save any of them, you're gonna click on that button that says save. I already saved this one because the terms of conditions and privacy policy is a pain to redo it all over again and paste the links to them. So you want to save them, right? And then also you see right here, you can save this whole section. So you already might have a column. All you gotta do is enter the section. So you want to save this whole section, and that's gonna be completely saved together with the elements. So when you do that, you want to go back to your ClickFunnels account and another section, and we're gonna enter to edit the page, whatever page that you want to work on. And once you get to the editor, which is so simple, it's insane how simple this is. This is one of my pages that I'm working on for the Expert Secrets book. You are gonna go into sections, right? If you want to add a section, and then when you click add a section, instead of dragging this down, you are gonna go to my sections and you're gonna click on it. As you can see, I have a thank you page. I cloned the whole thing because I gotta use that same thank you page somewhere else. I also have the mobile section, and then I got my privacy policy section. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on it, and then you're gonna drag it down, and then you're just gonna drop it right underneath that whole area. And as you can see right there is the section that I saved. So it's that simple, guys. All you gotta do, save, and then reuse them on other funnels that you actually need. So it makes it a lot faster and a lot easier. So let's say we are gonna go here and copy some columns on the rows. We're gonna use some of the roads. You are gonna click on add a row, and then as you can see, there's your columns right there. You're gonna click on my rows, and I have the privacy policy section, and then you're gonna grab that, and we are gonna drop it right in this right here. And as you can see, there's two different colors because this section was the white color on the other page. This section was already dark, but I saved only this right here. So then you can go into the settings, and then you can change the big color, and let's say we want to make it red. So there you go. And if you want to save this section right here because you like it is red, and people will see it a lot easier, then all you gotta do is click on save, and then when it comes, you put section privacy. So at least you know that's the color you save as a template, right? And when save this, because this is, you want the page to look, always click on save. You're gonna click on save. So you're gonna see that that row was saved. We're gonna click on a section, add a section, my section, and you can see the privacy policy is in red. All you gotta do is drag it, and it's gonna go all the way down to the bottom. So it's that simple, guys, and I hope that you find a lot of value out of this. If you want to know a little bit more about Clickfunnels and how to use the software, there is gonna be a link in the description that says Sales Funnel Mastery. There's a cheat sheet that you guys can take for free, so you guys can create your funnels, and then you don't miss any of these steps. Also, there's a free training that you guys are going to get once you hit that link in the bottom of the description, and they will guide you how Clickfunnels works, how to use all this amazing software. And I hope that you take advantage of that. It's completely free, guys. The training is completely free, and your cheat sheet is completely free. It's gonna be the first link on the description. So I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I will appreciate it greatly. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that link at the bottom that says subscribe. Also, leave me comments below, thumbs up, thumbs down, anything is appreciated, and I will see you guys in the next video.